Hello, lovely friends. This is the lovely banana plant, and the flowering and fruit has just started. So, this is the flower that petals these open slowly, and see the beautiful banana that's forming in bunch. See how the stem comes out from the center of the banana leaf. And so strong and slowly the lovely banana is formed. See, such a huge flower. So every petal will open, and here there are almost, I think, 12 in one bunch. So every day one petal rises as the banana is forming below. Look here, so sweetly the leaf is protecting these flowers, forming the banana, and then it slowly, as it matures, it drops. So beautiful, nature keeps protecting the flowers to form fruits. Pure organic, pure natural. Lucky me, happy with nature and its beautiful creation. See, from down it's come up so great height to reach the sun, and it's fruiting. So another 6 months I have to wait to get this lovely bunch of organic bananas. Treat for the eyes to watch, and highly energetic to consume too. So let's keep growing, let's keep planting and enjoying the beautiful nature around us.